Pioneering research, technical achievements,
Hello?
medical progress. Innovations provide safety. Without us, this safety would not exist. Because we create room for the future. In fact, lots of rooms. Our most important component? Trust. Yours in us and ours in you. We work to ensure your trust from our first consultation. We create what you envision, whether individual, modular, large or small, fully customized to your surroundings, stripped down to the true essentials. We turn your ideas into reality. We produce according to plan and assemble fully functional systems, turnkey solutions. And after commissioning, well, we are still here for you with consulting, training and maintenance, with modular extensions, non-destructive, and that is unique. Our air circulation technology, safe and energy efficient. Good for our environment, good for our customers. Limits? There are none. Self-supporting ceiling constructions, integrated air ducting, LED visualizations, and complete end-to-end furnishing concepts. We do it all. Because we manufacture Cleanrooms as a second-generation family-run business. And with this, we make the world a little safer. That makes us happy. Let us head into a clean future with SCHILLING Engineering.